Ignite is our 5-day program. Over the course of 5 days, your young people will look at problems that matter in their communities and in the world and design innovative, scalable and sustainable solutions that solve those problems.
We believe it is crucial for all children in third world countries to have access to education.
We have come up with an enterprise that would support families with children who have either lost their hearing or will struggle with their hearing.
We as humans can choose to be affected by the world, or we can choose to affect the world.
So please help us, and we will help young children with special needs around the country to achieve their goals.
It's that moment leading up to those pitches where you talk to those students and you watch them and you see their brains ticking over and they realise that they have to pivot, they have to move, they have to change their plan, and they come out the other side so much happier, so much more accomplished and excited to have done and been a part of something that means something to them and hopefully to those who they're targeting and impacting.
On the last day of the program, your school will host its own Shark Tank where your young people can showcase their amazing ideas to a panel of judges who will pick a winner.